When I realized I had a real problem with my hip, I had to make a decision about what to do. And I knew what the options were, but I was very nervous of having a hip operation because whenever I looked it up, it looked very, very drastic. And so I was quite scared, actually. And one of the things that really helped me was to be able to talk to people who'd had the hip surgery themselves. And luckily, all of the people I spoke to had very positive outcomes. And to me, it became very obvious what I needed to do. And I should have done it before. I know people have said that I should have done it before because it was, as I say, life-changing. And yes, it seems scary, but to me, the idea of living the way I was is even scarier now when I think about it.